Building something for your loved ones is one of the most rewarding experiences life has to offer. And it's never been more important to work safer and smarter at your craft. Microjig introduces GRR-RIPPER 3D Pushblock. And it's the safest, most precise push block, giving you essential safety, precision, and control when feeding work through a table saw. A must-have for any table saw user, it gives you the 3 critical forces when cutting on the saw. Downward pressure, to virtually eliminate kickback and keep the workpiece down on the tabletop. Inward pressure, to keep the work against the fence and prevent wood burn. And forward pressure, to advance the cut and control both sides of the workpiece. The GRR-RIPPER is engineered with a powerful gripping surface that gives you far greater control and traction. And the saw blade tunnel allows the table saw blade to pass through, keeping your hands shielded the entire cut. And the adjustable center leg slides easily to accommodate a wide range of cutting dimensions and keeps a solid hold of the off-cut material. Using the GRR-RIPPER is simple and safe. Place the GRR-RIPPER on your workpiece, slide it against the fence, and guide the cut along the fence, and you'll get a safe cut. The GRR-RIPPER is a fully adjustable push block system engineered to handle the demands of your workshop and your full range of projects. And it's amazing when it comes to handling small workpieces. The built-in balance support drops down and stabilizes for narrow work material, keeping your GRR-RIPPER square to the fence. The workpiece gets full contact with the gripping surface to ensure a smooth, clean, and safe cut. The precise 1/4-inch leg makes the GRR-RIPPER the most precise pusher in the world. The proprietary green grip is lined across the length of the leg to make sure you have a firm grasp over the smallest pieces of wood, allowing you to cut down to a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. All the while your hands are protected. With the GRR-RIPPER, you have your own moving blade guard. The GRR-RIPPER is an extremely versatile piece of woodworking equipment. We've also introduced GRR-RIPPER Advanced, comes with 2 additional precision accessories. The stabilizing plate gives you 250% more stabilizing area and locks the workpiece against the fence to enhance the versatility of the GRR-RIPPER. It intelligently maintains even pressure without binding to create safer and virtually burn-free cuts. The adjustable spacer adds 1 inch of additional gripping surface to tackle larger material and wider cuts. They both work remarkably well on the router table. The GRR-RIPPER holds the workpiece tight against the router bit, while the stabilizing plate keeps you grounded and moving smoothly across the table. Perfect for freehand routing. The adjustable spacer is reversible and rises up to give you extra clearance to pass over the router bit when doing full profile work, like bullnose routing. This takes care of any uneven deep cuts on the back end of the wood, helping you make the most of every piece. No matter what project you're taking on, the GRR-RIPPER will give you the control you need with the precision to win over your biggest fans. With the GRR-RIPPER, everything is safer. There are over 30 unique applications, substantially more than any other push block. You can use 2 GRR-RIPPERs for ripping stock longer over 16 inches to virtually eliminate burning and protect both hands when working on bigger projects. You can cut a wide range of material types and sizes, and then recreate your stunning results with consistency without having to readjust your fence. You can build more projects in less time with less waste and much safer. Whether you're making something for a magical moment or building something to last a lifetime, work safer, work smarter.